Alright, this is a quick tutorial video on how to install the OLED display for the Etek 5. Just gonna get started here, taking off the grips. Here. Taking out the battery, set that out to the side, put this over, take off the grips from this side as you need access to the board to install the screen. Go ahead and pull this off. Or slide it forward, I don't care. Whatever. And supposedly, you just take out the unplug everything. Unplug the breach sensor. Take that out. And pushing up on the board from the other side. Go. Let's see, I'm gonna have to get this thing out of here. How do you do that? It just pulls up. Take out the little the screen there, the blank. Go get our display there. Pull this out. Go ahead and take off the protective film. And install this guy. Plug you in. And then it just slides back down, I guess. Yes. Make sure the button is not interfering with the board as you push it back in. And go ahead and plug all this junk back in. Tighten the plugs. Plug in the breach sensor. Plug in the whatever this thing is. What is this? Looks like this solenoid. Ugh, get in there. Put it down all the way. There. Go ahead and reinstall the grips. Snug that down. Make sure not to cross thread your screws. Reinstall our battery. Set that down there. Put the grips back on. Get my hand out of the way so you can see. Although I don't think it's important that you see me screwing these in. I think you know how to do that. Get this junk out of here. And whoa. And this should work. And there we go. Oop. Plug and play, man. shows the mode there, the shot counter. I don't know if this is focused or all. Nope. Down there. And the breach sensor on and off. Go ahead and turn it off. It says goodbye. Okay. Enter setup mode. You hold the trigger and turn it on. Displays a splash screen. And the trigger just walks through all the settings. Dwell, debounce, sleep, display. Right now it's set to semi-auto. Let's see. PSP, Millennium, and semi-uncapped. So I'll leave it there. How do you exit this? Oh, you just press and hold the thing. So there you go. And that is the install video for the Etek 5 OLED board. Thanks for watching.